President of the United States of one of the Earth designated representatives will speak to all stations shortly. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. This is a national emergency. About 10 minutes ago, NASA and the Wake American Night to prevent tonight made the darkest discovery anyone ever could discover. They have just discovered that the sun has suddenly and unexpectedly unleashed rays of up to 1 billion sieverts of ionizing radiation. This radiation has already begun to impact our Earth, obliterating the ozone layer. Okay, I don't know what's going on here. Okay, I don't know what's going on here, but I'm gonna say something like this. The NASA made the darkest of all disclosures. They have just confirmed that there will be no way of stopping this radiation from stopping. This is the end of all life. This is the end of all life as this radiation is killing everything. Oh my god. Uh-oh. No, no. We are all going to die. I repeat, we are all going to die. You are urged to get around your friends and loved ones and we are final ones on this fading planet. We will conclude the final activation of the emergency alert system with EON bursts. Thank you for existing and being yourself. Thanks for being part of this life. As this horrible event unfolds, we love you so much. I love you all. Goodbye, and God bless the United States of America.